Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my fall shadow box. How fun is that? That whole entire scene being inside that little leaf silhouette. You've got that house there in the middle and just leaves, and just you can tell that it's just a blustery fall day. This project is super easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click sign up. You'll be brought to a page with our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and view the different options and pick which membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can come to the main navigation bar and go to Files. This particular file is available for basic and premium members only, so you can go ahead and select the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 358. That is the fall shadow box. Go ahead and click the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you'll see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this project to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this design for something different, maybe a smaller shadow box or even a card, you can change the dimensions here under the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked, that way you're not going to distort the design at all. Since my project is already sized appropriately, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It, and you can see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this shadow box. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all of our different layers cut out, so it's time to go ahead and put together the shadow box. So I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, we're going to start with the red, yellow, greenish blue, light blue, dark blue, burnt orange, light brown, orange, and dark brown. Like I said, I do have a layering guide for you to check all this out. I'm going to put some foam squares behind some of these different pieces. I believe what I'm going to do is behind the 9th layer, which is the dark brown, behind the burnt orange layer, which is layer number 6, and then behind the light blue, which is layer number 4. I'm going to put the foam squares on, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box. Before I get my shadow box, I do want to let you know that I misspoke a little bit. I actually put foam squares behind layer number 9, layer number 6, and layer number 3, not layer number 4. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box. I've already taken all the packaging out, and I have gone ahead and put those pins in that I like to use with this particular shadow box that pushes everything forward a little bit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer everything together. All right, now we'll take my backing piece, go ahead and place that on and lock the shadow box up. And there is our fun fall shadow box. Wasn't this shadow box so much fun to put together? I love that design, and I love how everything kind of happens inside that leaf. It's really, really cool for fall. I hope that you like this. If you make it, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye.